Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Power BI Gateway for on-premises data refresh, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Power BI Gateway for on-premises data refresh, start by downloading the Power BI Gateway from the official Microsoft website. Select the appropriate version based on your system type, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Power BI Gateway. Choose the Personal mode or Enterprise mode based on your organization's needs. For most users, Personal mode is adequate for individual use. After the installation completes, open the Power BI Gateway application. You will be prompted to sign in with your Power BI account. Enter your credentials and click on Sign In. Once you are signed in, you will need to configure the gateway. Click on the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. In the Settings menu, locate the Data Source option. Click on Add Data Source to set up your on-premises data source. Select the type of data source you wish to connect to, such as SQL Server or Analysis Services. Enter the necessary connection details, including the server name and database name. For authentication, choose the appropriate method based on your data source requirements. You might need to provide credentials if prompted. Make sure to test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once verified, save your data source configuration. Head back to your Power BI workspace and navigate to the Dataset section. Locate the dataset associated with the data source you just configured. Click on the More Options button next to the dataset. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Gateway Connections section. Toggle the option to use a data gateway and select your configured gateway from the list. Now, find the Scheduled Refresh section within the dataset settings. Toggle the Keep Data Updated option to enable scheduled refresh. Set your preferred refresh frequency and time zone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for